Good morning, friends. I, Kamal Singh, Assistant Professor of Computer Application. Today I am going to explain various generations of computers and some important aspects for computer generations. That is time frame, time required for actual computation, circuit components, internal design of hardware, elements per component, that is every component needs hardware design, internal storage, memory capacities. As we know, memory, various memory used in computer like RAM, ROM, hard disk. I'm going to explain in next slide briefly. Data inputs and popular companies at that times. So I'm starting from first generations. First generations started 1951 to 1958. In that generation, vacuum tubes are used as these tubes are large in size and make the computer size bigger. And magnetic drums, hardware program in computers, hardware programs in computer, that is in that era, no high level language was introduced. In that era, only machine level language are used for programming. And the UNIVAC, IBM 650 and ENAC are the mm, most popular computer in that era. Second generation started in 1959 to 1964. In that generation, transistors are used for circuit switching, magnetic cores, punch cards are used for input-output device, and the popular computers are CDC, GE, and IBM. Third generation started 1965 to 1974. In that generation, silicon chips, cores, ICs, keyboard entries are introduced. That means keyboards comes in that era. IBM, NCR, Honeywell are major computer in that era. Fourth generation, 1975 to 1989. In that, silicon chips are introduced. LSI, IC, 100 million bits storage capacities are introduced. Read program of disk, that means you can store your program in disk. And the major computer in that era are Apple, Xerox, Texas, Hewlett Packard.